Hey guys, back for electrical at it again. So, well, I'm here on a ah, ah. well, I'm here on a installation. As you can see, upgrading this existing domestic installation. So it's been a while since I uploaded a video because work and so forth. You know. So just gonna start this upgrade. So I would don't sure if we're gonna have enough time to video and stuff, but I'll surely take pictures and so forth, you know. So now I'm going to dismantle the main breaker panel and stuff, and I'm going to remove all these wiring, uh, and conceal them in chunkings, and I'll upgrade the existing wiring and so forth, you know. As you can see, um the main breaker is at 30 amp, so I'm gonna upgrade the mains to accommodate a 50 amp main circuit. So uh, just gonna um go ahead and proceed. So I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. Remember guys, feel free to like, subscribe and share. And if you have known anybody who like this kind of content, feel free to share with them as well and so forth. So guys, I already find a problem in this installation. So as you can see, the two mains from the grid comes in here, the neutral and the ground. So as you can see, the ground and the neutral is bond right at the grounding lug, but by the neutral bar no neutral, you know. So I don't know how they get neutral to the circuits, but right there I saw a problem right there. So that's problem one. So there guys, that is a quick overview of how I install the chunking. So that is just a chunking installation, and no wire inside. So now this is day 2. We run some wires through the chunking. So you can see we have installed switches and plugs and so forth, you know. But there was a lot of rain and so forth, so we didn't get to complete all of it, you know. But I think we got up to 98%, or 89% I think on that day, because we have the outside, but on the inside we got up to 98% of the inside, but on the outside we didn't got to do any of the outside because there was a lot of rain and so forth. So we had two satellite to install, so we didn't get to do that. No. So this is day 3 now. We did the outside lights and so forth, the bathroom got finished, you know. So we did all the lights, uh, bathroom, we did all that, bathroom and GFCI main breaker, so as the kitchen, so you can see all of the outside light got done and so forth, and the main was actually not finished, but I think we got up to 89% again, and then the rain we had to stop because of the rain. So this is a quick overview of what we did, and the inside was totally finished, you know, and up to standard and so forth, you know. So the customer was very happy with the outcome, but we still had to go back to do some sealing and the chunking and so forth, you know. So this is the roaster oven or the toaster oven working. Before, the customer couldn't toast, he couldn't run his refrigerator and so forth, and now the refrigerator is working 100%, you know? So the customer was very happy.